Hello friends, welcome to my channel English with Savi. So today I want to share another ways to improve your English language. Two ways already I have told you. One was the storytelling, story listening, children's story you can listen, and as much as you can speak and as much as you can listen. Today I will share with you another ways to improve your English language. According to your time, you can choose these ways. So I will not kill your time because time is very precious for anyone. So today I will share with you these fastest way to how to improve your language speaking skills. So let's start without any further ado. If I tell you another ways, so many ways are there. You can choose like daily conversation, daily practice, daily recording to your video while practicing, and shadowing practice. So many ways. So let's start. If I tell you daily conversation, so daily conversation, speak English. Speak English as much as possible, even if it's just for short time each day. If you don't have much time like 1 hour, half an hour, then 20 minutes is enough, 15 minutes is enough for you. But you have to do one thing, you have to be consistent about it. You have to do daily, even if just for a short time each day. After conversation, record your video and try to find out those glitches, which type mistakes you did. And don't be afraid to make mistakes, because everyone learning a new language makes mistakes. No big deal, because nobody is perfect here. Nobody is going to judge you. Which type are you telling? Which type are you speaking? Don't afraid to make mistakes. And if I tell you another way shadowing it can be. What is shadowing? Shadowing, listen English speaker and try to mimic to their pronunciation and intonation, how they are speaking, how they are using their hands expression while speaking, facial expression and pronunciation, vocabulary, framing the sentences. So each and everything you have to observe of their speakers. This is the shadowing. Friends, one of the most important thing, surround yourself with English environment. Surround yourself with English ambience. Change your medium. Totally you have to change your medium if you are a serious learner, if you have hunger of it, if you want really improve your English language. Then you have to surround yourself with English environment. Like how can you surround yourself with English? Change your medium, like if you use in social media Hindi content, if you follow Hindi movie, Hindi songs, Hindi articles, anything it can be, then you have to change their mediums. If I tell you, then simple, change the language on your mobile, social media. Whatever you watch, like in a television, in your phone, whatever you watch, it can be movie, it can be songs, it can be podcast, anything it can be, then you have to change the medium. If you are using right now in Hindi, then you have to change, you have to shift the language like Hindi into English. So in this way you can learn. One more thing, read excessively. As much as you can, you have to read. At least 2 pages in a day you have to read. Once you'll involve in reading, then you'll find new vocabularies and knowledge of the grammar too. How to frame the sentence, how to use grammar like articles, conjunctions, so many things. And read understandable language, which you understand. You have to pick up those articles, those books only. There's no need to go higher if you are a beginner. Friends, daily practice is the key if you want to become confident of English, because saying is there. I think you might have heard, practice makes a perfect man, and consistency is the key to success. So if you are a serious learner, if you really want to improve your communication skill, then you have to do daily these things, and you have to give your time. If you are a beginner, if you are a tyro, then start speaking with your basic vocabulary, basic sentences. Try to make a little sentences and try to speak front of the mirror also if you have time. So I have shared with you a lot. You have to try of these methods. So if you like, do like, share with your friends also. Thank you.